Hey, good afternoon. It's Marantha from Marantha's Garden Exchange. I am, when I say we, I mean me and the dogs, right? And the cat. But I am a homesteading, gardening, off-grid solar channel. So I named it after my business because I use my homestead as a way of, how I earn money. So that is what I've always done. I've added a couple things to my shops that I get from other sources. Most of them local, and some like the CBD products I get are definitely, I have local, but they're definitely out of Colorado. Since everybody and their mother knows that Colorado, Southern Oregon, and Southern Cal grow the best MJ anywhere in the world. So, okay. That being said, I want to hop on here. We're going to be planting some sweet potatoes. I just planted some turmeric and I left some, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that if you don't already know. And I've already planted some ginger. But I wanted to give you an update on no poo since I'm here right now because it's super hot outside and I'm doing dishes and I don't really want to do anything until it cools down a bit because I am like sweating and I cannot find my hair clips or hair ties anywhere. So I'm just kind of keep holding my hair, keep moving things around because I'm literally one big, like, check that. I'm just super, super like hot everywhere. So we are in week 7 with no poo. Week 7. And I'm wet. Apparently, obviously, I'm super wet. This isn't grease, otherwise you wouldn't see all this frizz. My hair is doing really well. I have rinsed it with water only. I thought about I have rosemary in the garden, so I thought about making a rosemary rinse, which I might do since I love it so much and it smells so wonderful. But I just wanted to give you guys an update. All these little frizzies you see, I'm so stoked. These are new hair. Check it. Just all this new growth. I got little baby ones, medium-sized ones, but right there, all of that is new growth. So that's pretty good considering I am 50-something. So anyway, I just wanted to hop on here, give you an update with the no poo. It's going really well. And it's probably not for everyone, but for someone like me that lives off grid, I live in the woods. My youngest son is flown the nest, and people stop texting me. I forgot to turn my notifications off. Sorry. But anyway, I wanted to hop on here because I've tried to make a video twice and I keep having bloopers. So I just decided to do this live. But please like and subscribe. Please leave messages and let me know what things you'd like to see. I plant, I make tea, I make soap. I pretty much do DIY most everything. And I am a homesteading loner woman right now. Had my son, like I said, he's flown the coop, so there's just me and a couple dogs, a couple cats, chickens, and a vegetable garden and an orchard and herb garden. So I make a lot of stuff I process, and still have my business as well. So I just wanted to let you guys know that because I wasn't sure if you guys knew that. All right, and I probably should have named my channel some kind of homesteading lone wolf woman or something, but I didn't. But we're going to get into some cool things, and so I'm pretty excited about it right now. So, okay, want to hop on here and give you a heads up and some things to expect. And like I said, if you have anything, please leave me a message in the comments below. Please like, please subscribe, because I know it changes the algorithm. So that'd be cool. Like I have tried starting a channel for the last 5 years and I just never make videos. And I finally got a new phone that it looks pretty good. And I am going to get a little tripod. I was going to get a camera and all that, but my days are so full because I do everything by myself. But I'm pretty committed to making videos. So I'd like the content to be really awesome. So I need some help from y'all. Let me know what you'd like to see. All right, love you guys. And week 7, no poo. So I think we're doing pretty good. You can tell my hair has body, it has life. It's not sticking to anything. And why it looks here, because I am solidly wet underneath because it is so hot here. All right, you guys. Whoop. Sorry about that, cat. I love you much, and we'll see you here soon. Okay, bye. Where is the off button?